Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, and I'm back in the kitchen. What the hell? I'm enjoying the kitchen. I'm no longer on the couch, so. Guys, I just want to go ahead and do some quick videos. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Amazon Fire TV Cube. And this is the new one. It doesn't have any new specs as far as a cube, but it comes with the new Amazon Alexa remote. I want to share this with you guys. I know that I've talked about in the past that I've recently gotten really big into the Amazon stuff. Decided to get a second one for the master bedroom. So like I said, if I get another one, I promised you guys when I did the review for the remote cover that I would do a video of the unboxing of the box. So that's what we're here for. Let me go ahead. We're going to get to it. I do want to say, as always, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You guys can message me on YouTube. You can reach out to me on Facebook, Jesse Alfalto on Facebook. You can find me at Medieval Spawn 01 on Instagram. If you guys have any ideas, comments, concerns, please feel free to reach out to me as always. I hope you guys that celebrated Christmas had a great Christmas. Hope you guys all have a happy New Year. Let's go ahead. Let's get to it. Let's get to the unboxing. So here we go, guys. We got the front of the box. It is inside of a plastic bag because it did come direct from Amazon. Shows you right here a bunch of the apps that are available: HBO, Showtime, Food, Prime, Sling, CBS, all that stuff for the legitimate apps that you want to use. It is able to accept additional third-party apps as well too. Fire TV Cube, control your TV hands-free from across the room. Lets you know ALEXA, turn on the TV. This is us on NBC, tune ESPN, all of that fun stuff. Amazon 4K HDR. Far-field voice control. She also has ESP, which is kind of cool. So this one here, if I'm speaking in the bedroom, it knows which one that I'm speaking to closer. It can detect it, so it doesn't trigger the one in my living room, which is very, very cool, especially because my bedroom door, I have a split-floor home. My bedroom door leads into the living room. So let's go ahead and take a look. We got some more of the apps that's available. Lets you know that it's got ALEXA on there. Don't say her name so I don't trigger my own or yours at home. Far-field voice control, 4K Ultra HD, HDR dynamic range. It has the IR blaster, Dolby Atmos. It's a quad-core Bluetooth, and it lets you know that it's Wi-Fi 802.11 capable. On the back here, let's go ahead and we're going to take it out of the plastic so we can read this stuff clearly here. Slide it over. Let's go ahead here, and now TV is hands-free. From across the room, just ask Alexa to turn on the TV and play what you want. Oh man, I lost myself. To watch. You can also control your TV, soundbar, receiver, and more with just your voice. Just say, Alexa, watch blank, and turn up the volume. Just ask Alexa even with the TV off. With far-field voice recognition, 8 microphones, and beamforming tech, Fire TV Cube hears you from any direction. Ask her to order a pizza, check the weather, play music, and more. True-to-life picture quality and sound. Access to vivid 4K Ultra HD up to 60 frames per second. The brilliant color of HDR and the auto clarity of Dolby Atmos. Tens of thousands of channels, apps, and Alexa skills. Get over 500,000 movies and TV episodes from Netflix, Hulu, HBO, Showtime, Prime Video, NBC, and more. Plus, Fire TV Cube is always getting smarter with new Alexa skills. And let me tell you something, that is very, very true, the Alexa skills. For those of you guys out there that are fans of Ring products, like the Ring alarm system, the Ring cameras, things like that, I have them at my house. And originally, my first Ring camera was the first generation stick cam. When you had the Alexa skills on there, she did not have the ability to view that, which was a big part of why I got the Fire Cube to begin with, to be able to see the cameras from the living room TV. They just recently did an update, which made her even smarter. She can now fully control the Ring alarm system as far as setting it and turning it off and whatnot. But now she can even go ahead and view those older camera systems and the older doorbells as well. It lets you know what's included in the box. We've got the Cube, the voice remote 2nd gen, 2 AAA batteries, a power adapter, the IR extender, the Ethernet adapter, and what you need for it is high-speed internet, an HD TV or 4K HD TV with an HDMI input, and high-speed HDMI cable. Device control requires compatible TVs and equipment. Then you got the Amazon.com. On the bottom, you have some barcodes. I know while I was reading the back, you guys saw me sticking some labels on there. I don't know what those are for, so safety is best when you're doing things like this online. Let's go ahead. Let's get to opening her up. So we're going to go ahead. I love this about Amazon. They have this on the Rings too. Just a simple, easy way to pop the tabs without having to go crazy. Getting a knife or anything like that, which actually, for me, that I'm always losing my scissors, as you guys know, watching the videos, or my knife. It just makes it a lot easier. Let's go ahead and slide her out here. We're going to set the sleeve off. We'll move the sleeve over to one side. I'll go ahead and open this up. As always, love that. It's got the smiling Amazon face. I'm going to go ahead and, oh, there's another tear tab. You think I'd remember this from the last one. Let's go ahead and tear that off there. Boom. Got 3 open. Turn her back over here. Slide open this flap here. It's got that brilliant Amazon orange. And there she is. There is the new Fire Cube. Got her in here. She's in the plastic. Here is where the light up bar is, the blue light that shows the Amazon logo and so on. On the back, they've got a cover, but it lets you know, it's smart. They make you peel off this cover so you know where the ports are unobstructed, and it even tells you to help you make sure you place it unobstructed and facing where you sit, at least 1 foot away from other speakers and not in a closed cabinet. Quick start guide for more. And there on the bottom, we've got the venting and the heating right there. That's pretty much the gist of it. Underneath here, we've got the HDMI and power cord panel right there along the bottom. Going to move this over to the side, see what else is in the box. I'm going to pop this bad boy open, and what do we got? It even gives you, I mean, you got to love Amazon. It lets you know what you got, so you just don't only pull out what you need. You know, in some cases you don't need the IR adapter, so I drag it out, but there's your power cord with the power cable and everything right there. Boom, plugs right on into the Fire TV Cube. You've got the Ethernet adapter, so if you're hardwiring and you have a high-speed internet, as everybody knows, hardwiring is usually faster. But this is an adapter. It plugs into the power port into the micro USB port of the Fire Cube. You plug in Ethernet here, and it lets you do the speed hardwired. And here's a really weird thing, though. This is supposedly like the greatest thing to have this. People pay an extra 15 bucks to have this on their Fire Stick. If I tell you that when I use this, I have 200 over 200 fiber optic internet at my home. I'm a Fios customer. My speeds were garbage with this thing. So my opinion and just my personal experience, I wouldn't use this. To each his own, test it, try it out. But for me, it just didn't work. It was better to have it Wi-Fi than it was to have it hardwired right into the modem that was less than a foot away. But, you know, like I said, to each his own. Going to move that over to the side. Right here, we've got the IR blaster. So if you need the IR, you want to hide it, and you need to be able to use a remote or control, this is the IR blaster right there that it comes with. It's just an optional. You don't have to use it, but it's cool to have the option if you were to need it. Let's go ahead and move that off. We're going to leave it over here to the side. On the bottom, we've got some very, very, very basic instructions here. You know, you got the Fire TV Cube, product specifications. Over here, you got the Fire TV Cube. It's cool. It's got the instructions. It shows you what's in the box, where to place it, just like on that sticker on the back of the Fire Cube. It's got how to connect it to your TV. Very simple instructions. There's a drawing. It's got the micro USB there. It's got the IR part, the HDMI, and the power cord. Lets you know where everything goes and how to connect it all up. And then how to power up using the remote itself. You know, get to know your Fire Cube, getting the most out of your Fire Cube, tips and trips. So you definitely want to read that if you've never used one before. It really came in handy for me when I first got the first one. Different types of voice control options that you have available to you as far as what's going on. Another thing that's very cool, it does work with, if you get the Fire Recast, you have that as well too. We pull this out here at the very, very bottom. We could see the batteries and the remote. Like I said, it is the new Alexa 2nd Gen remote, which is very, very, very cool in my opinion. I kind of dig having the Alexa voice, but what I love about this one, which is a big part of what made me change it in the room, was that it has the power and the volume controls. I don't have to go fishing anymore for a second remote to do anything in there with my Fire Stick. So I definitely was a big selling point for me, was having all of this available and ready to me. So looking at it, guys, this is pretty everything that she comes with. You've got, like I said, the Fire Cube right there. You've got on the top her controls, the volume up, volume down, the mute button if you want her to ignore you, and even a power button there. You've got your power adapter, your Ethernet adapter, and your IR blaster, and all your paperwork. And that's everything, man. That's everything that comes with the Fire Cube, fresh from the box, fresh from Amazon. I hope you guys, as always, enjoy the videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.